What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. As you can see, I didn't start off great in the beginning of the session. I wasn't even going to trade this account, so I'm happy I was able to bring back my balance to a positive $200 because I was trying to fight this trend and the trend won. So let's look at the market right now. Obviously, this was the news right here. It got bought back up, forming a perfect head and shoulders pattern and completely dumped off. Now, my initial thought was that this was going to find support, retest the highs, and go up further. That was my initial thought because the bulls just would not let up on this market. But as you can see, price rolled the 21 EMA all the way down until it found this area of support. Me and my trading partner called this area in our trading on our live stream. We got an entry of 840, or at least I took the entry at 840, and we rolled this all the way up. I got my first target at 910, and I had a runner target at 920. Now, once that target got hit, I thought that, man, if it can get this high, it can at least test the bottom of this range, or at least get back to the top of it. So in hindsight, I was actually going to move my target up. But good thing I got filled here, because after it got filled, man, did it dump. The bulls just couldn't hold the market up today. The bears was not playing. They came back with a vengeance. At the end of our stream, this is where, once I saw that this was consolidating in a range, it found support. I wanted to get in, and I got in at 78. Once I saw this pump up right here, I got in at 78. And I got stopped out for an unnecessary loss because it ran up, came back, tested, and it gone up ever since. And I said at the end of the stream that this can possibly retest VWAP at 900. And look at what it does. Look at what it does. This is why the NQ is just so toxic. You can get stopped out of a winning trade just to see it go higher. I didn't FOMO into this because around the time when we were in this stream, it was doing this. I had a feeling that it was going to go higher, but I did not expect for price to continue up the way it did. But look how it's riding that 21 EMA. Look at that. That means that we're now back for right now, an uptrend, and price is rejecting off of VWAP. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can get it back over VWAP and push the market up higher, or if the bears come back and take this market lower. If the bears come back and take this lower, I feel that we may get a retest of this area. We might find support around 818 in this area and then probably go higher. But if we don't, this is definitely going down for another leg down. So the bulls definitely have to protect this area right here. So let's go back to the trades. Yeah, this is what happens when you fight the trend. The reason why I said that I was not going to trade the news today is because news days, for some reason, because I trade price action, the news kind of throws me off. Areas get broken, area resistance get broken, and that's how I'm hardwired to trade. Technical analysis, support and resistance, price action, and the EMAs. The news throws all of that off, which throws me off. But the only reason why I started to trade this account is because of my Topstep X account. I went long at open. My target was all the way at 72.40. The reason why I chose that is because I figured, well, if the news doesn't pump, if we don't get there before pre-market, I feel the news is going to pump it at least to that area and then possibly reject. I was so happy to have woken up being in profit. That's what encouraged me to trade this, to trade it in this account. And boy, did I pay for it. But I went back to risk management. I went back to really picking my spots because I was close. This account was close. It was close. I managed to get it back up, and I managed to end the day with $215. So I'm going to take this as a win. I'm going to take it because it could have been much worse. Let's see. So the market is still going. Let's see if the bulls continue to slowly grind this up. But I do feel that the bears are going to probably come back in. The bears are going to probably come back in. And if not, then we can definitely go higher. Definitely go higher. But if you are enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on how to trade the Nasdaq intraday, subscribe to the channel, join our live streams where me and my trading partner, we provide intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is to build a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades and tired of being on the wrong side of the Nasdaq, join our live streams, join our community, join the risk managers in the chat. And as always, we appreciate your support as we grow. Well, I'm just going to leave y'all guys with this. Remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. We can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. See you next time. Stay green out there. Peace.